Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zack in Final Fantasy VII. First, let's cover the fundamentals of combat. Zack's basic attacks are your primary source of damage, so learn to chain them into effective combos. Dodging is crucial for avoiding enemy attacks and maintaining your offensive pressure. Remember to block when a dodge isn't feasible to mitigate incoming damage and stay in the fight. Next, let's dive into Materia and the Digital Mind Wave. Materia allows Zack to cast spells like Fire or use powerful command abilities such as Assault Twister. The DMW is a unique slot machine system that grants limit breaks, status buffs, and even level ups. Pay attention to the DMW's reels to maximize its benefits during combat. Now, let's talk about equipment and materia fusion. Selecting the right weapon and armor is vital for boosting Zack's attack, defense, and magic. Accessories provide valuable passive effects, like increased HP or elemental resistance. Don't forget to experiment with materia fusion to create more potent versions of your favorite spells and abilities, significantly improving your combat prowess. Finally, let's discuss some advanced combat strategies. Always try to identify and exploit enemy weaknesses using the correct elemental materia for maximum damage. Efficiently manage your ability points and magic points to ensure you can always use your most effective skills. Deploy Zack's powerful limit breaks at critical moments, especially during boss battles, to turn the tide in your favor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.